Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So we're going to do an update on our weekly recaps. So they are going to be going away because they have not caught any traction and I have not gotten any overwhelming feedback of that you guys like them. So that's one thing that I do have to say. I know I learn slow, but I do learn. So they are not what you guys are interested in, so they are going away. So we're going to go back to 7 videos a week, so we'll have more topics for you to see, for more things for you to keep up with. So learning experience for me. Hey, it didn't work out, so that's fine. So yeah, you might see these views here, but let's see. Well, I'll just show you. So six minutes. So I mean, I'm really just missing out on watch time. So that was 6 minutes. This is 1 minute. Let's see. I stopped looking at these. I was like, maybe they'll catch on. 9 minutes. So that's a one minute per view. Which one was this one? 3 minutes. So yes, you guys spoke loud and clear, and I get it. So that one was at least 22 minutes, but I think that was somebody who stumbled across it. So if these start picking back up, maybe I'll do them, but I am not gonna keep pushing out anything that you guys don't want, because like I've said, and I try to stay as true to my word as possible, this is your channel. This is to help you. This is to help the next person behind you. So we will no longer be doing these weekly recaps. But if there is something that you do want to see more of or less of, just drop a comment down below and I will get right to it. I have a couple of really good video requests coming, so thank you to those. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments below, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.